Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a little project for you, and we're going to take this into this. And so we're using a piece of cedar picket right here, and we're going to make a nice sign, as you guys can see. We're going to be using our 2-inch fatty font set, and you can get this on our website, makeawoodsign.com, and our Adirondack chair beach set. Now this is the template of the month for September of 2022, and all of our premium members and our executive members get this for free every single month. So if you're interested in that, you can check out our website right here and it'll take you right there. So let's get going. So our first step is our layout. I want to center the letters on the board and then make my marks. Once I make the marks of where the bottom of the letters are going to be, I'm going to draw a straight line across so I have a line to put all the letters on. Then what I need to do is I need to bring those letters together to where you can still read they're two separate letters, but there's enough room for the chairs on the ends, and to make sure there's room for the cloud around the lettering. Let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe, I said babe, oh honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it. So the first bit I'm using here is our profile bit. The Adirondack chairs are going to be inset, which means that they're going to be black. So I'm carving everything away that's white and following the black outline. You gotta feel it. Oh, you gotta move along. Ah! Baby, you gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along. I said, honey, take it real slow. I said, honey, take it real slow. Now the beach life is going to be outset. So instead of carving away the white and leaving the black outline, I'm just carving away the black around the lettering. Now what you want to be careful here is during the small inset pieces, like on the B, you want to drop in real slowly and make sure that you don't go outside the line when you get to your full depth. next bit that I'm using here is our 90-degree bit. And this is going to take away all of the excess wood that we want to be black. Again, right here, you want to be careful to drop in slowly as you're carving because it's real easy to nick the edges of your letters. To give the sign a good clean look, a nice finished look, I'm going around the edges just to do a little chamfer with our 45-degree bit. The next step once you're done carving is to make sure that all the loose stuff is out of there. So you've got a stiff bristle brush and I'm brushing it really hard to make sure all the loose stuff is out. Then I have a little tool called the skew to pop any high spots out of there. Once all the carving is done, all you got to do is spray it black and sand it. So here we're spraying it black, making sure all of our background is done and there's not going to be any high spots after we sand it off. The first sanding grit we're using is 60 grit to get about 85 to 90% of all the black off of the wood. You want to be careful here to make sure you don't go too deep and you don't hit the black parts, because then you're going to have a lot of touch up to do. Then I'm going to go with the random orbital sander with 120 to get the rest of the black off and to make sure that wood has a nice glass finish. Now you can see the sign's all done. The last thing you got to do is put a finish on it. We really like to use, this will probably be an interior sign for most people, so we're using an interior finish and we'll put 5 or 6 coats on just to give it a nice glassy look. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, all the stuff we used on this board, you can get right here on our website. So go check it out. And as always, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, Ryan@makeawoodsign.com, or Dad, Eric@makeawoodsign.com. Again, thank you to all of our premium and executive members. Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. We love you. We really appreciate you watching. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.